A warm welcome to you, my dear students. Sales journal. Sales journal. After the purchases journal, we are going to study the sales journal. That is the second prime book that we are going to take in Unit 10. Children, sales journal, sales journal, sales journal. All right. In the previous video, when you learned about purchases journal, what did I say about the purchases journal? Anyone who remembers, can you tell me? Purchases journal, what is it about? Why do we have it? What is recorded? Anyone? Okay. Purchases journal is used. We have purchases journal, we maintain it to record the credit purchases of trading goods. Trade goods. Trade goods or trading goods. Credit purchases, all right? Not if you purchase goods for cash. If you purchase goods for cash, you bring more and more goods to the business, right? Those goods, if they are purchased for cash, those transactions go to the cash book, not the purchase journal. Only credit purchases, without paying money, you purchase goods, and on credit basis, that's the meaning of credit purchases. Those transactions go to the purchases journal. Now, this one is the sales journal. What transactions are recorded in the sales journal? Easy. Credit sales of trading goods. Easy, right? When a business sells trading goods, okay. When a business sells trading goods on credit, such transactions are first recorded in the sales journal. Yep, that's it. That's it. When we sell goods to our customers, not for cash, on credit. Got it? We sell goods. Here you go. Have a nice day. Do come back. We sell goods. Do you treat your customers like that? Oh, hello. Hi, good evening, madam. You have a fantastic day. Here you are. Come back. Please do come back. Do you treat your customers like that? Well, you should. Out of jokes, you should. Customer is the king. If you are doing a business, customer is the king. That's it. Okay, that is the bottom line. You don't ignore the customers. You don't treat them roughly. You treat them very softly. Customer satisfaction is one of the main objectives of a business. We learned in the first unit, lesson number 1, objectives of businesses. Objectives of businesses. Customer satisfaction is one of the main objectives, main aims. Increase customer satisfaction. That's how you increase customer satisfaction. All right. Okay, back to the lesson. When we sell goods on credit, we don't take cash from the customers. We give them a credit period. Right, madam? Sure. If you are not willing to pay now, when can you pay? In 6 months? No. I can't give you such a long credit period. I can't wait for you for 6 months, 2 weeks. Yeah, you have to negotiate with your customers. All right. You give a credit period to them and you sell goods on credit. Those transactions, selling goods on credit, go to the sales journal. That's right. Okay. So remember, when selling trading goods, an invoice is created. Invoice. And obviously, you know that these customers, that madam who bought the goods from your shop, to whom you sold the goods, she become a debtor to you, to your business, not to you. She become a debtor to your business. All right. Then those debtors owe you money. Those debtors owe you money, the amount that they purchased. Okay. You record those debts or amounts that they took, or the amounts, the values of the sale you have done. You record those sale transactions in the sales journal by using the source document, that is the sales invoice. Okay. This document is known as the sales invoice. Sales invoice. The business retains a copy of the sales invoice, and this invoice is the source document for recording transactions in the sales journal, just like I mentioned just now. This document is the source document. Yeah, to record transactions, these transactions in the sales journal. Okay. All right. Now, they are talking about trade discounts too, but we know how trade discounts are calculated and how trade discounts are recorded. We know, right? How trade discounts are recorded in the accounts. We know, right? Right? What did I say? How trade discounts are recorded in accounts. We know, right? And you also, I saw you nodding. You were like, yes. We know how trade discounts are recorded in accounts. Yeah. Trade discounts are recorded in accounts. The way and the method we have done. Trade discounts, to record trade discounts. Trade discounts are not recorded in accounts. Remember. Okay. The price mentioned in the invoice may also be reduced by a certain percentage. When selling on credit basis. Yeah. This reduction is a trade discount, not recorded in accounts. You just calculate the trade discount amount, the discount value, and you deduct from the original price. And the net value is taken. That net value is recorded in the sales journal. Okay? Super. Let's go forward. Transactions recorded in the sales journal are posted into the ledger periodically. This period can be 1 month, sometimes 1 week also. The sales journal and the purchase journal. The journals are totaled or summed up at the end of a period. That period is maybe at the end of 1 month, or it can be at the end of 1 week. That is a period. It depends on different businesses have different policies. Okay. Transactions are recorded in the sales journal and they are posted into the ledger periodically. And we have one example right here. Following invoices with net values are issued by Amar Singh's business. Amar Singh Modalali's business. They have issued these invoices. Okay, they are buying and selling consumer goods, biscuits, chocolates and milk powder and rice and dal and cheese, butter, chocolates and those things. Consumer goods. Amar Singh's business. These net values, alright, so we don't have to worry. They have given net values. 1. Ratna. The customer's name is Ratna. 2. Kumara. Again Ratna. Then Mahanama. Indika. Again Mahanama. Again Indika. We have sold goods to these customers. Let's see how with the invoice numbers. Let's see how these transactions are recorded. Okay. These invoices. Okay. Yeah. That's it. We observed the question, the entire question. Now let's see how the transactions are recorded. Sales journal is here. Okay. Each and every invoice have been recorded. See. Invoice number 35. Ratna 5,000. Go and see. Invoice number 35. Ratna 5,000. Done. Invoice number 36. Kumara 12,000. This is done. Kumara 12,000. Invoice number 36. Date is mentioned. 36. Kumara 12,000. That is also recorded. Next we have invoice number 37. Ratna again 8,000. Ratna seems like a regular customer. Yeah. Okay. Ratna 8,000. Invoice number 37. That is also recorded. Invoice number 37. Ratna again 8,000. Likewise, all the invoices and relevant customer names and amounts are recorded. We have 13,000, 17,000, 6,000 and 7,000. 13, 17, 6 and 7. 13, 17, 6 and 7. All recorded in order of the invoices. Did you notice that? In the order of the invoices. See, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. In the invoice book, from the first invoice which is issued, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. All the invoices are recorded in order and all the sales to all the customers are organized nicely in the sales journal. Total sales at the end of the month is taken. That is the sum total of all these individual sales amount. Sum total. It's 68,000. Don't forget to write this sentence. What is the sentence? Credited to the sales account. What is credited? The total sales. Total sales of the month. Yeah, credited to sales account. Wait, I'll show you. If you still didn't notice, I'll show you. Here you go. Credited to sales account. This is the sales account. Right? An individual amount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 individual amounts should be debited to, you know. Don't look at me like you don't know. You know. Of course. Individual accounts. Individual amounts should be debited to individual accounts. So Ratna's account, Kumara's account, Mahanama's account, Indika's account, individual accounts. Okay. So the total credited 68,000 is debited into individual accounts one by one. Here you go. Ratna's account 5,000 and 8,000. Ratna 5,000, 8,000. Then Kumar 12,000 and that's it. Kumar only one. Should be debited to Kumar's account. Here it is. Kumar's account 12,000. Description should be sales. Sales. Because in the sales account, the description is debtors. In debtors accounts, description is sales. Logical, right? Do you see the connection? Do you see the connection? That is the connection. Yeah, double entries we have learned. In debtors account, description is sales. Okay, sales. In the sales account, description is debtors. Okay. Likewise, Mahanama 13,000 and 6,000. Finally, Indika. That's that about the sales journal. Children, my dear students, I hope that everything about the sales journal is clear to you. Okay. Remember that the sales journal is used only for recording, credit sales. All right. All these are credit sales. Ratna, we have sold on credit. All these are debtors to us. You know, Nayakaryo. Nayagati, that's the singular word. Credit sales to debtors. Okay. Now we are going to go straight to an activity and finish it off, the sales journal. Okay. Here we have activity number 3. Activity 3 in your textbook with a little birdie flying in the sky. Okay. Yeah. All right. Following is the file of source documents of Nirmali's business. File of source documents. File of source documents. What do you mean by file of source documents? Huh? File of source documents. What do you mean by file of? There is a file of source documents, children. File. It's a file. It's a file of source documents. Because all the documents, source documents are filed. They are not thrown here and there. Get it? Businessmen, the shopkeepers, the cashier, when they issue a source document, the bill book with the signature, when they issue a source document, likewise when they issue source documents, the original is given to the customer and the copy is kept, right? Kept in the business. Yeah. Better if you can take all the source documents, the copies of source documents, and file them in a file. The same type of source documents in one file. Another type of source documents in another file. Alright. Likewise, you keep the source documents filed. This is the file of source documents in Nirmali's business. See, these source documents are issued by Nirmali's business. Nirmali Traders. Maharagama. Okay. Nirmali. Must be a textile shop. Oh no. You don't have televisions and computers in textile shops. No. This is a computer shop or an electronics shop. See? Television sets and computers. So it should be must be a electronics shop. It doesn't matter. Whatever the shop is, it doesn't matter. Okay. Nirmali Traders. It's in Maharagam. They have issued to Gayashan Center. Okay, to Gayashan Center. To Gayashan Center, Nugegoda. They have issued. Nirmali's business has issued. Issued what? Issued this source document to Gayashan Center. So, Nirmali Traders is the seller. Nirmali is the seller. You get what I'm saying, right? Nirmali Traders is the seller. Yeah. Okay. And sold to Gayashan Center. This invoice in the point of view of Nirmali, this invoice in the point of view of Nirmali, this invoice is a sales invoice. You can realize that, right? If Nirmali is the seller, sold to Gayashan Center, and Nirmali has issued this invoice, the sales invoice, then this must be a sales invoice of Nirmali. Okay. We have the date, children. We have the date 2nd of March. We have the description of goods 1 and 2. Television sets 10. Computers 10. Sold to Gayashan Center. And unit price is given, so the total is calculated. Here also total is calculated. Okay. Total is calculated. Likewise. And there is a trade discount. See, there's a trade discount. Wow, what a lucky business this is. This is a lucky business. Which business? Gayashan Center. They have got a big discount. Gayashan Center has got a big discount from Nirmali. How much is the discount? 45,000. Big discount. And that is subtracted and the net value is taken. Alright. Let's go ahead. Another source document issued by Nirmali Traders Maharagama. Same business, alright. Nirmali Traders Maharagama. Same business. Now they have issued this invoice to Nilushan Center. Nilushan, that's a familiar name. Nilushan, you are watching, right? Nilushan. Yeah? To your shop. You have bought goods from Nirmali Traders. How much did you pay? Nilushan, tell me. How much did you pay for these goods? How much did you pay when you bought from Nirmali Traders these goods? Come on, Nilushan, tell me. You paid 114,000. This amount. 114,000 did you pay? Okay. Well, if you say that you paid 114,000 when this transaction was made, when goods were sold to you by Nirmali Traders, if you are saying that you paid, that's a lie. Don't lie now. You haven't paid yet. These are credit sales. These source documents, sales invoices, I should for credit sales. Okay. Fine. All right, Nilushan, pay attention. Okay. Cassette recorders. 20 cassette recorders. My God. This must be a antique shop. Yeah. Who's selling cassette recorders? Cassettes? Have you even heard about cassettes? I don't think so. You haven't heard about cassettes. Cassettes were, a very hot trend back in the 1990s. Yeah. By the end of 1990s, in 2001, 2002, 2003, CDs came into the world. Yeah, even before that. So, Nilushan has bought cassette recorders. I don't know, must be an antique shop. 3,000 is the unit price. And 20 of them. So, total is calculated. Radios, 30 at 2,000 each. So, the total is calculated. And another trade discount is given, children. That's great. Trade discount is given. That's great. 5% and that is deducted. Okay, net value is taken 114,000. 114,000. Yep. We have another source document that is also from Nirmali Traders. This one too issued from Nirmali Traders. Nirmali is the shop owner. Okay, yeah. She has issued this source document to Dilshan Center, Dikwal. Dilshan Center, Dikwal. It should be Dikwal, right? Should be Dikwal. Yeah. It's a sales invoice issued on 18th. Yeah. Photocopy machines 8, 50,000 each, and total is calculated. Television sets 10, 20,000 each. So 20,000 into 10, total is calculated. And no trade discounts to Dilshan. Dilshan doesn't get a trade discount. Why is that? What did Dilshan do to you? Nirmali. Poor guy. No trade discount. We don't know why. Right. What do we have to do? Prepare the sales journal using the following format. Okay, let's get to it. Yeah, let's draw this format. Top line. Date column, invoice number, description or customer name, value column, and ledger page. Headers. Done. Let's name the columns. Sales journal, date, invoice number, customer name, value in rupees, ledger page. That's it. Simple format. All right. Let's go to the first invoice and record it here. Activity 3, blue skies. Source documents of Nirmali's business. First source document, sales invoice. All right, sales invoice. Yeah. 2 types of goods. Television sets of 150,000, computers of 300,000. What do you do? How do you take these items? Do you take one by one? One. Television sets 150. You take that to your sales journal. Television sets. All right. Listen, watch and learn. Television sets 150. Then go back to the invoice again. Computers 300,000, and you deduct the trade discount. First you record computers. No, first you record television sets, then you record computers. Is that how? Is that how you record? No. No, children, that's not the way. That's not the way. You take the total, final, net value of the invoice. The final total or the net value of the invoice. Let's go to the first invoice. Gayashan Center is the customer. This is the final total or the net value of the invoice. Where is it? Here it is. The final net value should be taken into the sales journal. Yeah, 105,000 to Gayashan Center on 2nd March. All right, let's record the date. 2nd March, Gayashan Center. Gayashan Center, right? Center, yeah. Gayashan Center, 105,000. Done. 105,000. It's done. Recorded. Nothing else to be taken? No, nothing else to be taken. We are moving on to the next invoice. Nirmali traders have sold to Nilushan Center. Nilushan was watching, right? Nilushan, your transaction. Final total or the net value, final net value, 114,000. Who is the customer? Nilushan is the customer. Nilushan, 16th March, 114. 16th March, Nilushan Center, 114,000. The final total or the final net value. Okay. Next, we recorded Nilushan's 114 also. No worries about that. Next, we have Nirmali Traders sold to Dilshan. This guy did not get a trade discount. So this final net value is 600,000. 18th March, Dilshan Center, 600,000. 18th, Dilshan, 600,000. There you go. That's it. We have only those invoices. Yeah. Dilshan, 600. Done. Nilushan, 114. Done. Recorded. Then the first one is Gayashan, 405. That is also taken. Let's total this sales journal at the end of the month. And don't forget that we have to prepare the ledger accounts too. Let's total. It's 600,000 and 405, 600 plus. It's 10 lakhs 5,000, 11 lakhs 19,000. That is the total. 1.19 million. All right. I'll do the adding this. I'll take the sum in the traditional way. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 4, 9. Here 1. Here 11. Okay. It's 11 lakhs 19,000. Let me make it clear to you. Okay. $1.19 million. Yeah. Or you can say 11 lakhs 19,000. That is the total. You write for the total this sentence. Credited to sales account. Credited to sales account. You have to write that. You have to write this sentence, okay? Just like you write this sentence to purchases journal. In purchases journal also you write debited to purchases account for the purchases journal. But for the sales journal, you write credited to sales account from the journal to the account. This total, okay? Now let's credit to the sales account, right? Oh, forgot something. Date, 31st March, the last date of the month. Here you go, children. We have 1 account for sales and 3 accounts for the 3 customers. There you go. This is the sales account. And these are the customers' accounts. Gayashan, Nilushan, Dilshan. Debtors. Debtors, children. They're debtors. Of course, debtors. Debtors. Trade receivables. Trade receivable. That is another name. Debtors. That is the common name. Nayagathyo is the common Sinhala name for these customers who owe us money. Yeah? First, let's credit this to the sales account. To the sales account. Let's credit. Credited to sales account. What is the description? Yes, debtors. Debtors. Don't forget the date. Always something that I mentioned. Always. Don't forget the date. Okay. Right, sales account credit. That's done. Then each of the individual debtors amounts should be debited to individual debtors accounts. Each of the individual debtors amounts of individual customers should be debited to individual accounts. Did I draw the arrow right? No. It's onto the credit side. Should be debited. Should be debited. 405. Debit side. What is the description? Description in the debtors accounts, children? Sales. Okay. Put the date. Next data. Nilushan, 114. Description is sales. Next data, Dilshan, 600,000. Sales. Do not forget the dates. Voila, that's it. Okay. Right, children. This is how you finish a sales journal question using the given sales journal format. We used the same format. Date column, invoice number, customer's name, total value column, and the ledger page. It's not that important. Finally, we have finished 2 journals. Purchase journal, sales journal. Remember, sales and purchases, both journals must only, both the journals must only have credit sales and credit purchases. You do not record cash sales and cash purchases. Furthermore, for your convenience, for your reference, I'll just write this sentence. Only record credit sales. Yeah. All right. Credit sales. Total sales is credited to sales account here, and individual amounts are debited to the individual debtors accounts likewise. All right, this is a full view of your question. So children, I hope you got this. Well, there's nothing to get. There's nothing to get actually. You just watch and learn and do more questions. That's it. Yeah, all right. Until next time, children. Be good. Do your work. Exam is close by. Yeah. These are questions which can appear on your paper, on your business and accounting paper, to prepare a sales journal, to prepare a purchase journal with the ledger accounts. Okay? Remember, journals are prime books, ledger accounts are ledger accounts. Journals are prime books, ledgers means ledger accounts. And there are only two prime books which also considered as ledger accounts, which are considered as ledger accounts. Those are cash book and petty cash book, not these journals. Got it? Fine. So then I hope to see you very soon, children, with the general's journal, and we'll finish off this lesson. We are closing little by little to the end of the syllabus. Be happy, be good, do your work. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.